Hi guys, you joined me from a pressure washing job today. So we got a really nice job to do today. I'll turn the camera around, I'll show you what the plan is, and then we're going to get stuck into it. So first things first, we've got the electric pressure washer. Now we've upgraded it with a 45 meter hose for this job, but when I was doing this job, I ended up acquiring this petrol pressure washer and this flat surface cleaner. So we're going to use this instead. Now we haven't quite got the setup ergonomically done yet, working out the van, but we need the power on this block paving to get it done in a decent time. So we've got a little surge tank there which we're filling. We're going to run all around here, and then there's a patio at the back too. So the job, we've got to move all the pots, take all the weeds up, jet wash all down here. All these pots got to get moved. And then we've also got out here as well, and up there. So nice little job, and I'm hoping this petrol pressure washer is going to just munch through this block paving. So yeah, let's get to it. looking a million times better. Just packing up now. It's gone massively over time. Now what we got to do, apply some biocide. Okay, so good job done. Biocide drying up nicely and cleaning the windows. So much bigger job than what I'd anticipated. Probably quoted a little under, but all said and done. Customers over the moon with the job. So yeah, a big old job today. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.